All right, here we go. To watch this video for Friday, May 25th. You can see the SPY opened here. Looked like it was going to roll over and then right back up. Let's look at an intraday real quick. So sold off most of the morning and then spent the rest of the day climbing back up. Not my favorite scenario for a trading day, but anyway, holding up fairly well. So let's go into the watch list video for Friday. All right, so PRPO put in a high back here, 65 cents, 64 cents about a week later, and then today a high of 59.9 cents. So I love this over 60 cents with a catalyst and a catalyst just above. This one could squeeze. So 61 cents is my trigger price. We'll see if it triggers tomorrow, or we'll watch it next week if it doesn't. NFEC. Now this one's kind of extended because you've got 4 green days in a row, but yesterday it hit a high of 292, and then today kind of an inside day. So if it gets over today's high, over 290, could take out 292, and then maybe kind of squeeze through 3. So I kind of like the setup there. HGSH had this big spike 4 sessions ago, where it went from $1.36 to $1.92, pulled back, kind of held the 20-day, and then today curling back up. Kind of like it over today's high, over 158. We'll see. HTBX had this kind of big volume day yesterday where it closed below its open, but then today inside of yesterday's range and closing green. I like it over 232, knowing that over that it might take out this 242 high and then squeeze. I'm going to put 233 in my notes. CCIH had a couple big pops back here and then back here, although it reversed, and then it's kind of done nothing. It put in some lower highs, 173, 162, 148, and then today a high of, let's see, what did it hit today? 143. I like it over today's high, over 143. You might take out this kind of recent high from April, over 148, it might squeeze. So I like it over 143. We'll see. LB, nice volume today. Looks like it gapped down, I think, on earnings, and then put in a high right at 36 bucks. I love whole numbers, and so if this breaks 36 bucks tomorrow, I like it as a long, depending on how it's trading, of course. Wait, back that out. BCLI. Bear with me 1 second. All right, so BCLI, whoops, had this big pop back here that topped out at 413. Then it, spent a few days climbing back up, took that out, and it's kind of topped out now at 441. I like it over this consolidation, so it's in kind of a tight range. Over 441, it looks good. Thin stock. Only traded 107,000 shares today. VTGN, in after hours, they get a price target upgrade. I don't know, something stupid. But it's trading at 137 right now. So trading all the way up here. So a possible gap and go tomorrow, we'll see. Only with a proper intraday setup. SNES, after topping out 2 days ago at 190, it's put in a couple lower highs. I don't love this one, but I'm going to watch it. AVGR, let's zoom in a little bit here. So massive volume yesterday, topping out at 244, today's high 222. I like it over today's high 223. It might retake that 244 and break out. Otherwise I probably won't trade it. ADOM was my favorite chart coming into today, and it just never triggered. Put in another red day, touching the 8-day today. Notice the declining volume. I really like this one for a potential bounce tomorrow. I had 2 huge days here. Started at what, 62 cents, and over the course of 2 sessions ran to almost $2. Now 3 days lower on declining volume. Pretty good setup for a bounce play. No trades in it today, but we'll see. AXTI, big breakout today. Nice volume for this stock. Kind of topping out right around a whole number. 808 or 805. It's the nickel spreader, so be careful with it. But maybe a continuation day tomorrow. Notice the 200-day right above. XTI. Let's see what's next. TYME. Big breakout today. Wow. And the thing I like about this, topping out right at $4. Certainly through 4 could get going. And ANY had this big 2-day run, couple day pullback, closing at its highs today. If I go to 5-minute candles, you can see kind of a strong close. So I want to watch this one for potential long. That's all I have. We're going to watch morning gappers as well. Check below this video for a link to the Memorial Day special, and I'm going to leave it at that. The teamwork's been fantastic in the chat room. Great job, everyone, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a good night.